Well, can you guess what that is? It's another action camera mount. This is for the Land Rover, the MN99SA. I did one already, but I don't like the position of it, so this one is going to clip into the back, and then we'll glue that on the outside so it's actually filming from the outside, so you'll see the front wheel turn and the left hand side of the car. In fact, you can put the camera in this either way round, so you could clip it on the other side and you could see the right hand side, or face it backwards. So we'll try that out in a minute. Right, that's the existing bracket that I made. Sits in there and you're viewing through the back window, out through the front window. So you've got almost a driver's eye view, passenger eyes view. So that one clips in there. This one will go in the same place. Okay, it's not all that tight, but then that will allow it to fall out rather than break the camera, I suppose. And you just super glue that on the outside. As I say, the camera will actually fit in that both ways round, so you could just flick it round and have it on the other side and still face that way, or face backwards. We'll just give it a little run round, see how it looks. Right, we'll go and download that and see how it looks. Not sure if it's bouncing around on there or not. It is tipping him over a little bit. Could always put a bit of weight on that side to balance it. We'll see. We'll just give it a little run round, see how it looks. Right, we'll go and download that and see how it looks. Not sure if it's bouncing around on there or not. It is tipping him over a little bit. Could always put a bit of weight on that side to balance it. We'll see. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.